The new strain of the virus popping up in different parts of the world. The University of South Carolina said they're testing to help detect the variants here in the Midlands. News 19's Nick Jones tells us more.
It was important for us to figure out where these viruses are getting introduced from and how the virus moves in the community.
The University of South Carolina has been participating in COVID strain testing for several months. Geneticists are characterizing variants of the virus. Dr. Helmut Albrecht is the director of the Center of Infectious Disease Research and Policy at Prisma Health in the university.
If we see outbreaks, we see certain patterns that do not fit. One of the ways they could look into it is by so-called sequencing the virus. So you see the genetic information for different viruses, and they have these mutations that may make a virus less infectious, more virulent, or i.e. more dangerous.
According to the school, the technology with the saliva-based COVID testing will allow the school to better understand and diagnose new coronavirus cases and the spread. Dr. Albrecht says the good news for now is none of the variants are in response to the vaccine.
The hoopla that these new variants have caused, parallel with the rollout of the vaccine, you do want to know whether, especially if the vaccine would not be able to work against these variants, it would be important for us to figure out whether this variant is here and whether we should change our vaccine or treatment strategies, for instance. If there is an outbreak or something that comes up, another variant, we would be able to respond quicker than campuses that didn't have this availability.
Nick Jones, News 19 WLTX.